Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to write a program that will ask two numbers from the user, and then the program will compute the difference of the two given numbers using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If if you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with newly uploaded videos. So we have here shop includes tdo.h for input output in every C program. Int main, it is the starting point of every C program. Begin, curly bracket, and then I declare three variables which has a data type of integer. So integer means positive and negative number including 0, a, b, and difference. New line here, difference of two numbers in C, give two numbers, it will store in our variable a and b. In this line of code 14, it will perform the computation difference of two numbers. Difference equals a minus b, and then we have here to display the result. Difference between %t and %t is %t a and b. New line here, and a program which informs the user that the end of the program, new line, and then we close the program. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. By the way, I'm using dev C++ in writing this program now. It is free to download in use. Okay, let us compile and run. Our program is running right now. Difference of two numbers in C, give two numbers. Let's see 7 and 2. So the difference between 7 and 2 is 5 and a program. Another example, let's say 8 and 4. The difference between 8 and 4 is 4 and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting with my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.